This is for the Blackstar ID Core Beam 20 watt stereo acoustic, electric, and bass guitar amplifier. So let's go ahead and dive into this, starting off with price. When I originally purchased this, it was $279.99, and I got it through Amazon. Now, I couldn't find it in stock on Amazon, although I was able to find this in stock on places like eBay. Musician's Friend also had it. They had a couple of used ones for under $200, so if you're looking to go that route. But they did have it new for $299, as well as they also do sell the foot switch, which is $58. And you could also find this on Guitar Center's website as well for $299. So the price, I think, has gone up. I don't know if they discontinued this amp or not, but hopefully they didn't, because I think this is a pretty solid amp, especially for what it can do. Blackstar does still have this on their website. You can't buy it directly from them, but they do have information on the amp. So if you're looking for information on it, maybe you're just wanting to see what it's all about. I did see this on eBay as well. You can find them new on eBay through various sellers for $299. There are some resellers on there selling it brand new, and as well, you can also purchase it used for anywhere from $150 to $200, $300. Now, as far as the specs go, it is a 20 watt amp with two 3-inch full range speakers. There are 6 electric guitar voices, 2 bass guitar voices, 2 acoustic electric guitar voices, and 2 electric acoustic simulator voices. Now, as far as the voices go, there are 2 separate LEDs for this. So basically, when you first open this up and turn it on, you're going to get red LEDs, and that's basically just for guitar by itself. So you'll have clean warm, clean bright, crunch, super crunch, overdrive 1, and overdrive 2. Now, pushing down the dial will activate the green LEDs, which will give you your acoustic, acoustic simulator, and bass guitar voices. So the first one is acoustic 1, which is a basically flat response. And then you also have acoustic 2, which is more of a dynamic, natural tone. Acoustic simulator 1, which is basically better for single coils. Acoustic simulator 2, which is basically better for humbuckers. Bass 1, which is a classic warm bass tone. And bass 2, which is more of a modern dynamic bass tone. As far as the effects go, you'll have guitar, and acoustic simulator all on the same bandwidth. For modulation, you get phaser, flanger, chorus, and tremolo. For delay, you get linear, analog, tape, and multi. For reverb, you get room, hall, spring, and plate. For bass, you get modulation, which is phaser, envelope, chorus, and tremolo. Delay is linear, analog, tape, and multi. And then you get distortion for bass, which is drive, distortion, modern, and fuzz. This amp also has Bluetooth. Clicking the Bluetooth button for discoverable mode enables a slow LED flash. For scanning mode, you'll have a fast LED flash, so keep that in mind. There's also a built-in tuner for this as well. You can use USB recording directly out of the amp with the included USB cable, and it is foot switchable with the FS11. Like I mentioned, you can buy that for about $58. So let's talk about this amplifier. So I just want to say I've been using this amp for about a year now, and it has really shined in my opinion. I think for the price, this is pretty good, especially if somebody wants to record reels or doing covers of songs. It's easy to use this amp to record all of your favorite songs, especially if you're doing covers, with the direct USB line out into your computer. I use Cakewalk by BandLab to make it easier to record directly to my computer. Basically, once I insert the USB cable into the amp and my computer will recognize this in BandLab, and I'm able to start creating reels and recording content. This is the second Blackstar amp that I have purchased, and I basically bought this amp for the bass guitar by itself, but it is nice to have just one universal amp for both bass guitar and electric guitars. That being said, I think this amp, even at a used price, would still be good for somebody that wants to create music in their home without having to purchase a lot of gear and learning how to use it. I think that the interface on this is super intuitive, especially if you're using the Blackstar Architect software to dial in your settings for this guitar amp. Now, let's go ahead and listen to some samples from this amplifier. And that's it, guys. So if you like this video, go ahead, give it a thumbs up, give it a like. If you didn't like this video, also give it a thumbs up. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit all the buttons. I'm Jordan, and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.